In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use live captions, closed captions in Google Chrome for Windows 10 11. To begin, open Google Chrome on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Once Chrome is open, look toward the upper right corner of the browser window. You should see 3 vertical dots. Click the 3 vertical dots to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. If the Settings page opens in a new tab, that is completely normal. Now that you are on the Settings page, look at the menu panel on the left side of the screen. You are looking for Accessibility. Click Accessibility in the left-hand menu. After you open Accessibility, look at the right side of the page. Locate the option labeled Live Caption. When Live Caption is turned on, Chrome can generate captions for supported audio and video content directly in the browser. To enable the feature, click the switch next to Live Caption and move it to the On position. The toggle should change state, showing that Live Caption is now enabled. Once it is enabled, Chrome will be ready to display captions when compatible audio plays in the browser. If you ever want to turn Live Caption off later, you can return to the same accessibility area in Chrome settings and use the same Live Caption switch. But for now, with the toggle turned on, the feature is enabled and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.